Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm standing next to the 2014 Chrysler 300. This distinctive exterior treatment features a chrome grille set in between the bi-xenon high-intensity discharge headlamps. Polished black painted aluminum wheels and the elongated LED tail lamps create a feeling of sophistication. The attention to detail builds with ultra-soft Nappa leather seats with 8-way power adjustments for the driver. An available dual-pane panoramic sunroof offers passengers a gorgeous scenic view of the sky. And with the 60-40 split seats, the 300 shows it can be practical as well as luxurious. With the Chrysler 300, you can be sure that you're surrounded by the industry's best technology. The standard 8.4-inch Uconnect system has the largest touchscreen in its class. Control all your music, navigation, and Bluetooth features with the conveniently placed steering wheel controls. The exclusive Beats audio system is designed specifically for the Chrysler 300, delivering amazing quality sound. When it comes to road feel and performance, the 300 delivers superior control and a premium driving experience. An 8-speed transmission adds to the smooth and quiet ride of this powerful sedan. From the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8 to the 3.6-liter Pentastar, the 300 can deliver on both fronts. Multiple advanced airbags line the interior of the 300, ensuring optimal safety in the event of a crash. The electronic stability system and a 4-wheel independent suspension make for a very sure-footed ride. When you're backing up, take advantage of the available rear backup camera that gives you a wide-angle view of what's behind you. Whether you're looking for refinement, modern styling, or exhilarating performance, the 300 has it all in one amazing package.